Hi fellow travelers, and welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we're going to explore the Heartmelt Hotel pop-up selfie station. The Heartmelt Motel selfie station is supposed to be modeled after a 1970s era California motel. This room is covered in psychedelic fur, very cozy, and up above the roof is lined with what looks like cotton candy. This doesn't look like any sort of hotel that I've been to. I'm going to need a little help lifting this ice cream. I'll just keep it right here. This is officially the wackiest hotel that I've ever been to. I don't remember ever having a giant plastic cow sitting in the middle of my psychedelic cow print room. Found the world's thinnest stairs. All right, let's test this out. Whew, those vibes are chill. So I gotta say, we enjoyed the Heartmelt Hotel pop-up selfie station. There's a lot of selfie opportunities for free. I'm not sure how much of a hotel it was, but there was certainly lots of different rooms with different color schemes, and I would say it aired on the side of bubblegum 70s as opposed to psychedelic 70s, but hey, why not? Have fun. All right, well that's it for today. So until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop. Bye guys. I'm gonna need a little help. I'm kind of stuck.